Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use liquid glass slider on iPhone lock screen. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This feature is only available on iOS 26.2, so before you begin, make sure your iPhone is fully updated, otherwise you won't see these options at all. Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Settings app. From there, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. At the top of this screen, you'll see a preview of your lock screen. Under that preview, tap Customize for the lock screen. Once you're in the lock screen editor, tap directly on the clock. This will open the clock customization menu where the liquid glass options live. Liquid glass is Apple's new design style introduced in iOS 26. It gives elements like the lock screen clock a semi-transparent, glass-like appearance that allows your wallpaper to show through. When the glass style is selected, you'll see a liquid glass slider appear. This slider controls how transparent the clock looks. Sliding it to one side makes the clock clearer and more glass-like, while sliding it the other way makes it more frosted and solid. As you move the slider, you'll see the clock update instantly, so you can stop exactly where it looks best with your wallpaper. If you decide you don't want the liquid glass effect at all, you can switch to the solid option, which completely disables the glass effect and makes the clock fully opaque. Once you're happy with how the clock looks, tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. And that's it. So, that's basically how you can use liquid glass slider on iPhone lock screen. So, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.